Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas again with you guys. We came back in another video. So as you see, guys, what the Bitcoin doing for us here. By the way, in that video, we are going to take you in 3 steps in the daily. We analyze for you the Bitcoin in the daily chart. Then we go into the 4 hours analyzing for you the Bitcoin. Then we go to 30 minutes analyzing for you the Bitcoin. So every time frame for those ones is got a special need for the daily, for long-term trading, for 4 hours for swing trading, and for 30 minutes for scalping and day trading. So I think everything is too clear, guys. So let's start our lesson of today. So as you see, guys, here at the Bitcoin done here, and that daily candle here, what it doing till now? Go back down, and by the way, what is giving us there? Let's zoom it a little bit like that. For the picture to be more clear to you guys, what that candle here giving us, look at it. It tried to form for us here an inside bar, guys, and that one either to be a bullish or a bearish signal, because it needs to break either up here or to break either down here. And that's what we've been telling you guys all the last videos. We tell you that just a trap, all that 2 days we're going up, it's just a trap. We've been telling you that. Some people, they never ever trade, they telling you that a long blah 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 blah. It's not yet, guys. The world is still very bad, guys. You see the crisis of economical in Europe, the crisis of the gas, and the winter is just entering. Italy, they got a new government, and we don't know what's going to happen to European Union. Switzerland, you see the problems, they got the banks of them. UK, you see the problems. America, they said they are not going to stop hiking interest rate and tightening. Even the UN is interfering and telling America you need to stop, but America, they said no, it's America with disaster in the world. So they need to say it like that. Those European leaders or other world leaders, they need to say it. The Fed, Federal Reserve, or Jerome Powell, is him who's pointing all those things. I think everything is too clear, guys. So here in the daily, guys, what we got now, as we tell it to you before, we tell you we got here that level here. It came to the price here, and as you see it, guys, now it's showing a rejection. And me, I'm thinking the big falling is going to happen till Friday, guys. Till Friday, when the unemployment rate of USA is going to come. Because the target, the Fed, they said everything. They told you the target is 4.4. And also we're still far away from that 4, guys. Also we are just 3 something now. So that means the US dollar is still going up, guys. It's make that correction. Now is it in the trend line? I think from the trend line now also we are going to go higher, guys. Everything is too clear, guys, here. So for don't make that video too long, let me show you my chart. By the way, you watching me now, are you not yet subscriber, my friend? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Also, every day, guys, we put in 2 video analyzing for you the Bitcoin. So like that, you're going to be updated about what the Bitcoin doing right now. It's very simple, my friend. A red button down, click at it. It's going to become gray next to it. A bell, turn it to all. So like that, when also we put in a new video, you're going to be notified, my friend. Or you can even join our Telegram channel. So like that, you're going to be notified more quicker, my friend. You done it? Welcome to the family, my friend. So as you see, guys, here in the daily, what else we got? We got here a trend line like that. It hasn't even come next to it. Now it's showing a rejection. It might from that level where we are to go back to touch the trend line here. Then after that, there is a big drop, guys, coming. Then now also we're going to stay here in that level where we are. Here, we're going to stay sideways, guys. Or maybe something going to happen, then we're going to see a big falling, guys. Let me show you my chart, what I got me, for the picture to be more clear to you guys. In my chart, guys, you see what I got me. As you see it, guys, I got here that level. When it touch it, now it's showing that red candle, and here we got the top of that channel, and as you see it, when it touch it there, that red candle, the green one, what it's showing, the first, that green one, it's showing it going up, then that red one, it tell it no. Also, we are still going down. Everything is very simple, guys. I think everything is too clear, guys. By the way, I know you are a subscriber, my friend. Did you smash the like button? Helping us, guys. It's very simple. It will not take you even 1 second, my friend. Go down and smashing the like button and writing for us a comment. Helping us, guys. Without you, also we can't put in more videos like that. We need your help, guys. You saw us, we give you highly in-depth analysis and very highly accurate analysis, guys. You done it? Thank you very, very, very much, my friend. Let's go now to see our indicator, what it's saying, guys, for the picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, when it came here, I tell it to you yesterday. And by the way, for the people that just came, that one is a very long-term trend. Also, we've been followed from 2021, guys. It came to it touched it here. Now it's showing here a rejection. Now, what should you do, guys? Nothing. Also, we're still here in the middle. It might from that level here to go back up. We don't know what's going to happen in the future, guys. Also, we're just analyzing for you now. Then tomorrow, we're going to come to you and we analyze for you what the market doing. Now, there is nothing here in daily, guys. In the daily, just sitting and watching what the market doing, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. Let's go to see our other indicator, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you guys. Our other indicator, guys, if you remember what else we said here, we said we got here a divergence like that. We say that thousands of times, and we said even here you got another divergence. But what else we told you, guys? We told you are in a very stronger level. Yes, our indicator is that the oversold, but the most important part, guys, is not yet completed. What is it? Is the price action. The price action, where is it? Is that one. It doesn't even came to it, guys. It need to break here. If it doesn't break here, also we are not going to enter, guys. It doesn't break here, also we are not going to enter. And for long-term investors, it need to give us here a W like that, guys. If it doesn't give us a W like that, also we are not going to enter, because me I show you in the weekly and monthly and everything. Also we're still in a downtrend, guys. Everything is too clear, guys, here. Now let's go into the 4 hours to see what the Bitcoin doing right now in the 4 hours for the picture to be more clear to you. Here we are, guys, in the 4 hours, and here in the 4 hours what me I told you in the previous videos. I told you got a very stronger level here. Told you when it touched it here before it fall down, or is a very stronger supply and demand zone, and it came to it touched it here. Now we are here at the 200 moving average, guys. Look at it, we are at the 200 moving average. It might from here to go back up, guys, because there is no price action here indicating us we are going to fall down, guys. There is no price action here. The only price action you can draw in here, you bring that one like that and that one like that. It means it need to fall down to break for you here, or the market to go back up and to give you here a W or something. Till now there is nothing indicating here us we are going to fall down, guys. Everything is too clear, guys, here in the 4 hours. And in my chart, let me show you what I got me for picture to be more clear to you guys. In my chart, as you see it, it came, it touch here that level. Now here in that level, it might here to give us a pin bar, guys, like that. That indicating the market will go higher. So it needs to keep to break for you that last high, which is here, guys. It will go in more higher than that. But till now, also we're still in a downtrend, guys. I think everything is too clear, guys. So it's going to see our indicators, what they say for the picture to be more clear to you. And look with me here, guys. Look with me here, guys. Look at that one, at our friend. What's it indicating to you guys here? What those red ones who came today, what they indicating to you guys? The reds, they came very, very, very powerful compared to those greens ones. Yes or no, guys? What that indicating? Indicating a lot of people they're selling in that level. Everything is too clear, guys. Now let's go to see our indicator, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you guys. By the way, did you smash the like button, my friend? Go ahead and do it, helping us, guys. You done it? Thank you very, very much, my friend. Let's go now to see our indicator, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you guys. Our indicator, guys, if you remember what me I told you yesterday here in the last video, you can find it still in the channel, guys. I told you you got a level here, yes or no? And now what it's showing? It's showing it falling down, guys. It might, because here you got another level, guys. Here you got another level. As you see it, it peaked from it here, and here it came, it resting in it. Now it might from here, as you see it, guys. Here, look at that one. It rest from it last time. It might from that one to go back up, but that one it will not tell you to enter, guys. Me, I think is going to come till here, till that wall here. Over here is going to rest, then after that is going to go higher, and we're going to update you guys. That way also we told you every time subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification, so when also we tell you a new signal, you're going to find it, guys. You done it? Welcome to the family, my friend. Like last time how we told you to enter from here. Used to have here a wage or a trend line in the 4 hours. When it's breaking, also we don't tell you to enter from here, we tell you to enter when it's breaking that wall here. And here when it reach here, we told you to take profit, guys. Or to take some of the profit and try to protect yourself to move the stop loss up. Everything is too clear, guys. Let's go to see our other indicator, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you guys. That one, guys, as you see it, also we being here at the overbought area, and that one from here it's showing a rejection. And another thing here, guys, look at it with me. I'm going to show it to you here. What you see in here, guys, look with me. You came from that peak here to that one, like that. What the market giving you guys is a trend line. Yes or no? Is a downtrend line. It came to it. It showed rejection even here. Now you can either to come here to draw like that a wedge. So now you waiting the market to come and to break here. If it's break here, you can enter long again, guys. Take profit where it's going to be. Here in that last peak. Look at me how I draw the trend line or the triangle, guys. I came to that last peak, the one, and the one. The 3 peaks, guys. Then you try to connect it, those dots together like that. Now if it came and break in here, you can enter long, guys. Take profit where it's going to be. Here at the last high, which is here, guys. Because even here in that zone, you got another level, guys. But that one you are in it now. You see it or no? So the next one is it that one, guys, here. So you need to make a close eye at that one. Everything is too clear, guys. But me personally, I think now it's too late to enter long, guys. Entering with it's being here. Like how us we entered last time from here. Now I think there is a correction going to come. It's just here in the top of the 200. Let's see how the market is going to react there. Maybe it's going to come back down. And I'm going to come to you guys when the daily candle finishes. So if you are not subscriber, my friend, make sure to subscribe to our channel. So when us we put in a new video, you're going to be notified, my friend. And don't forget to turn the bell to all, guys. You done it? Welcome to the family, my friend. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see what the Bitcoin doing right now in 30 minutes. If there is a buying or selling opportunity, guys. So let's go into 30 minutes, guys. Here we are, guys, in 30 minutes. And people, they follow me. What else we said yesterday here in 30 minutes? The last video, you can even go back and watch it. Also, we tell you here you got a wage. Yes or no? And we told you if it's breaking here, enter short. Now where you are, guys? To make very nice profit, guys. Not the power of our analysis, guys. If you make profit from with our signals, guys, smash the like button, my friend. Helping us. You done it? Thank you very, 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 very much, my friend. And here in 30 minutes, guys, what it give you here? Look, here, and here. It give you here a head and shoulder, guys. Now where we are at that level here. Should you buy? Should you sell? Our indicator is going to tell us, guys, if we're going to buy or not. It's our indicator, guys, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator, guys, is near to the oversold area, as you see it. Should you buy now? Not yet, my friend. There is no price action here. There is no price action here. Each might down is going to fall down more, guys. Yes, you are here in a stronger level, as you see it, guys. You are in a stronger level. It came to it here, it fall down. Before from here, it fall down. And now you are in it. Each might is going to give us here a price action. We're going to come back to you when the daily candle finishes. So if there is a buying signal or something, we're going to enter, guys. Now, there is nothing here in 30 minutes. Everything is too clear, guys. So, that's it for that video, guys. See you in the daily candle. Finish it, my friend. Bye for now.